today is what I call home day because I actually write it on my calendar. Home day, so I don't leave the house. Love those days because I get so much accomplished. And right now, while I'm making a video for you, I am making chili for dinner and I am organizing my pantry. So I'm going to give you a tour of the pantry and show you how I make a really quick pot of chili. So let's get started. First, I am taking this cereal. You know, I go to the big box stores, Costco, and buy a lot. And you can't just keep these things open like this in the box. So I transfer the cereal, that's what this is cereal, into these containers. These are OXO containers. They're reusable. I absolutely love them. This is not sponsored at all. This is just me giving you a tour of my pantry and what I use to organize my pantry. So I don't need everything open at the same time. I will put this back in the pantry and we'll go in there in just a minute, but I'm going to transfer the cereal into this OXO container because it keeps everything really fresh and it's easy to open, and you don't have to use those bag clips on your bags. I have several of those. You just turn it down and clip it. Well, I'm going to show you what to do in that. So you take your OXO container, and this is the flip top container, so you can open and close it, and it seals it. There is a rubber gasket. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here, and there's another rubber gasket here that seals the top of this container. So let's pour this in. And look at that. Perfect pour. And I'm going to fill this. And there you go. Perfect. And it's a pretty look. I love the texture. It looks great in the pantry and it opens easily. Okay, so welcome to my pantry. I have been organizing this because this pantry was used as just an empty closet before, and I needed pantry space. So we had someone come in and put in custom shelving, and I absolutely love it. And I found all of these OXO containers at Bed Bath & Beyond and Target. So if you're looking for them, that's the two places I found them, and you can also order them online. So I have this container, which you saw, it has the flip top, and then this one hasn't been used at all. This is just the packaging, and there it is, OXO, and this is the pop top. And the pop top, you simply push the button, opens, and then when you put everything you want to in here, you push it back down, and it seals it. Love it. And I love this size. I got several sizes. Believe I got the boxed kit of these OXOs. It's a stackable kit, and I got those at Bed Bath & Beyond. But then you can buy the individual as well at Bed Bath & Beyond, and then I got others. As I'd go into Target, I'd see them, and I'd pick up one here, one there. So that's how I wound up with so many and so many sizes, because look at this one. This is a perfect size for smaller amounts. And this is also a pop top. And then we have this. I haven't used this one. This is the pop top as well, but look at, that's a different size. It's about twice the size of this one. And I was trying to say, this says is ideal for 1 pound of coffee or 2 pounds of brown sugar. And it gives you ideas about what to store in these particular containers. This one reads that it's ideal for spaghetti, linguine, and lasagna. And there's a picture if you don't want to bother reading it. So that is perfect for that. So I have 3 of these pop tops that are this size, And these, I have a couple of this size, and they are smaller than that. Let's see how that goes. And then, of course, the smaller ones are on top. But you can see how I'm organizing this, and more than likely I'll get a few more. It depends on what I need them for. I just bought random sizes at first, so I think I've gotten to the point now where I've gotten all the containers I need, unless I want something specific. If I have a specific item that I want to have a container for, I'll go buy that particular container. I don't need to just buy random sizes because I have plenty, and I'm just now getting to the point where I'm starting to fill some of these up. So we have that, and let me get the camera and I'll show you what else I have. Okay, now we'll take a tour. So you can see that I love olives. We have lots of olives, and I love Rayo's bolognese sauce. I have plenty of that, and I am a sucker for anything that's packaged really pretty. And my favorite ketchup that I order off of Amazon because I love it so much and I can't find it in the stores. Any kind of condiments, I always try to keep those handy. Let's see what else. I have homemade pickled vegetables that my daughter and I canned. She was teaching me how to do that. Yes, she is very handy at that kind of thing. And way up there, right there, that is ghost pepper sauce. My brother grows organic fruits and vegetables, and he grows ghost peppers, and he loves to make this vinegar sauce that I don't even try. It is so hot that I don't even want to try it. And let's see, we have lots of vinegars and oils and soups. These Amy's organic soups, they are delicious. And let's see, where are we from here? Now, you know, I've already mentioned, oh well, here's some cocktail napkins, because you know I'm a cocktail napkin collector. For some reason they always catch my eye. And then we're back to the canisters. You know, I said I am a big box shopper. Well, this is just part of the big box shopping storage. I have things out in the garage as well, and as I have room for it, I bring it in and stock up. So that's just a quick peek inside my pantry. I know I love seeing inside closets and pantries and refrigerators, because there are products out there that I wasn't even aware of. But if I see it in somebody's pantry or refrigerator, I know to look for it. And I was telling you about that ketchup. Oh, I love this ketchup. I've got to get it and show you. This ketchup is called Traina. I'm probably mispronouncing it. Traina. It is sun-dried tomato ketchup. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. And I have been ordering this for years because I had gone to a small gourmet grocery at one time, and not knowing exactly what it was, it read sun-dried tomato ketchup, and I just had to try it. It's made in California, and I've ordered this online. So I order it by the case. So just getting to peek inside my pantry, you might see some products that you haven't tried, and that's always fun. Now, let's go in the kitchen and we're going to whip up some chili really fast. This is nothing gourmet at all. It's just plain old chili because it's easy to make. And I have other things to do today than cook, but I don't want to go out for dinner. Okay, this is quick and easy chili. I only use about 1.5 pounds of ground sirloin. And I use sirloin because it is leaner. Then I add dried onion. If you have fresh onion, you can dice some onion and add to that. After that, I add 1/2 package of chili seasoning. I only use 1/2 package because I don't like very spicy foods, but if you like very spicy foods, go ahead and add the entire package. Add 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and 2 15-ounce cans of dark red kidney beans. Allow all the ingredients to simmer at a low temperature for about a half an hour. If you want to enhance the flavor, allow it to simmer longer, but be sure to add a bit of water and watch so it does not burn. Delicious. Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye.